Predicting specific developments in AI for a given year can be challenging, but based on ongoing trends and possibilities, here are 10 potential advancements in AI that might be significant in 2024. Enhanced Natural Language Processing, NLP. Continued improvements in NLP models may lead to even more accurate and context-aware language understanding, making AI systems better at conversing and comprehending human communication. AI in healthcare. Increased integration of AI in healthcare for diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. AI may play a vital role in predicting and preventing diseases based on advanced data analysis. Explainable AI, XAI. Progress in making AI systems more transparent and understandable. This could be crucial for gaining user trust and ensuring accountability, especially in critical applications like finance, healthcare, and autonomous vehicles. AI ethics and regulation, growing emphasis on ethical AI development and the establishment of more comprehensive regulations to address potential biases, privacy concerns, and the responsible use of AI technologies. AI-driven creativity, advancements in AI-generated content, including art, music, and literature. AI systems may become more proficient at understanding and emulating creative processes, collaborating with human creators. Edge AI. Increased deployment of AI algorithms directly on devices rather than relying solely on cloud-based solutions. This could lead to faster processing, reduced latency, and improved privacy in various applications, including IoT devices. AI in cybersecurity. AI playing a more active role in identifying and defending against cyber threats. Enhanced predictive analytics and automated response systems may help organizations stay ahead of evolving cybersecurity challenges. Quantum machine learning, exploring the intersection of quantum computing and machine learning, potentially unlocking new capabilities for solving complex problems, optimization tasks, and advancing AI research. AI-powered virtual assistants, smarter and more intuitive virtual assistants that leverage AI to understand user preferences, anticipate needs, and perform complex tasks seamlessly, whether in personal devices or in business environments. AI for climate change solutions. AI applications addressing environmental challenges, including climate modeling, resource optimization, and the development of sustainable technologies. AI may play a crucial role in finding innovative solutions to combat climate change. AI-assisted learning and education. AI technologies might become more integrated into educational systems, providing personalized learning experiences for students. AI could assist teachers in assessing individual student needs, adapting curriculum content, and facilitating more effective learning outcomes. AI-driven climate monitoring and prediction. Advanced AI models may contribute to more accurate climate monitoring and prediction systems. This could help in better understanding climate patterns, predicting natural disasters, and developing strategies for mitigating the impact of climate change. AI-powered augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Improved integration of AI algorithms with AR and VR technologies, creating more immersive and intelligent virtual experiences. This could impact various industries, including gaming, education, and training. AI in agriculture. Increased use of AI in precision agriculture for optimizing crop yields, resource utilization, and monitoring crop health. AI-powered systems may assist farmers in making data-driven decisions for more sustainable and efficient farming practices. AI in legal services, automation of legal research, contract review, and document analysis through AI technologies. This could lead to increased efficiency in legal processes, reducing the time and costs associated with various legal tasks. AI-enhanced customer service. Improved customer service experiences with the integration of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These systems may become more adept at understanding and responding to customer inquiries, providing personalized support and streamlining customer interactions. AI in supply chain management. Enhanced AI applications for optimizing supply chain operations, predicting demand, and managing inventory efficiently. This could lead to more resilient and responsive supply chains, especially in the face of global disruptions. AI-driven personalized marketing. AI algorithms becoming more sophisticated in analyzing consumer behavior and preferences,